Hello, welcome our The Best 5 channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show some of the best Fire TV sticks that have been best sold and reviewed in the last couple of months on Amazon. Let's go start. Number 1. Fire TV Stick 4K Streaming Device with Alexa built-in. Let's not mince words here, this is the Fire TV stick that you want to get, period. Yeah, the others work just about as well, but with the Fire TV Stick 4K, you are future-proofing yourself. As more and more video content is available in better formats like 4K, UHD, HDR10+, and Dolby Vision, you're going to want to have a device that can support and stream that content, especially if and when you upgrade your TV to match. Even at full price, this device is a bargain, but it is often offered at a discount, which makes it an incredible buy. You get almost all of the same high-end specs of more premium devices like the Fire TV Cube or Nebula soundbar for much less. With that savings, you can pick up an Echo Dot for hands-free Alexa control, or subscribe to one of the fantastic Amazon channels. And because this is a stick that plugs into the HDMI port behind your TV, it can hide out of sight and out of mind. Pros: amazing value with top-of-the-line specs, often discounted for an even better bargain. Alexa access on voice remote is a killer feature. Cons: Alexa is not hands-free. Number 2. Fire TV Stick Streaming Media Player with Alexa built-in. The Fire TV Stick with Alexa voice remote is a mouthful of a name. If the Fire TV Stick Basic Edition is good, and the Fire TV Stick 4K is best, then they should call this device the better Fire TV Stick. The reason? For less than the price of a week's worth of lattes, you get a fantastic HD streaming device with built-in access to Amazon's Alexa voice assistant. Not too shabby. This product was initially released in 2016, but it is still one of the better HD streaming devices you can purchase. It supports content up to 1080p. Which is considered high definition. With access to all of the excellent streaming content on Fire TV, you'll never be bored. You can also connect an HD antenna, and a Fire TV recast to be a true cord cutter. Perhaps most importantly, because Alexa voice control is built into the remote, you can use this device to power and control your smart home devices, navigate the TV interface, and request content. You can even ask Alexa any question that you would if you had an Echo device nearby. Pros: same storage and processor as 4K stick for less money. Alexa voice remote for easy Alexa access. Cons: doesn't support 4K, UHD, or HDR10. Dolby Audio but not Dolby Atmos. Number 3. Fire TV Cube. Hands-free with Alexa built-in. Amazon's Fire TV Cube is a hybrid between a smart speaker and a streaming media player. Calling itself the first hands-free streaming media player with Alexa, Amazon seems to be betting on this combined functionality to sway consumers away from rival Chromecast or Apple TV devices. Like the Amazon Echo speakers, customers are able to navigate Fire TV and play/pause/fast-forward content without the need for a remote, while still using Alexa for all their weather/shopping/trivia concerns. Don't worry, you get an actual remote control too. The Cube comes with its own Ethernet port, 16 GB of storage and a built-in speaker as well as top-of-the-range picture quality. As long as your TV can display it. Users are also able to control other compatible smart home devices, including additional speakers, soundbars, thermostats, and security cameras. Compared to Amazon Fire Stick prices, the TV Cube is an expensive piece of kit. You are getting complete control of your Amazon smart home in one neat little black box. However, making it the easiest way of combining all your connected tech. Key features: hands-free streaming, supports 4K content, HDR10+ support and Dolby Vision. Number 4. Roku Express Easy High Definition Streaming Media Player. Another stunning creation for streaming is the Roku Express, a secure HD streaming media, and your next best purchase. With its intuitive navigation system, this is a piece of equipment that is extremely easy to use. It features a simple setup developed by experts with knowledge on the needs of consumers, and it features a high-speed HDMI cable included in every package upon purchase. With no fees or subscription plans on the Roku channel, you get to enjoy over 500,000 TV episodes and movies, and a maximum of 1,000 top channels with the voice search feature, in addition to other ultimate movies, favorite shows and many more. From movies and series, there are tons of streaming services available on the Roku Express thanks to channels such as Prime Video, Netflix, HBO Now and Showtime. If you manage to get bored with all these, you can still enjoy services from cable alternatives such as Sling TV or YouTube TV, CBS News, Live Sports or other news programs on networks such as ABC and ESPN. The Roku Express also features its mobile app where users can enjoy private listening and other features like the voice search. A dominant next-generation player, the Roku device provides its users with a smooth streaming experience on their big, HD screen TV. Pros: lots of streaming apps and services. Wired network connections. Headphone jack in the remote. Cons: no Dolby Vision support. Number 5. Apple TV 4K streaming media player. If you're looking for a device to better integrate with your iTunes account, iPhone, and other Apple devices, then you'll want to look into getting an Apple TV. The new Apple TV 4K boasts a number of great features, and as the name suggests, this version streams in 4K and HDR, which is great for those of you who have 4K TVs and want the best home theater playback. As you would expect from an Apple device, it's well designed and will look right at home amongst your other home entertainment devices, even the more premium ones. On the back of the device, you'll get a power input, HDMI port, and an Ethernet port. That way, you can have a more stable internet connection for streaming 4K video. One of the best things about the Apple TV 4K is Apple's tvOS operating system, which is super easy to use, especially with the included remote, called the Siri Remote. As mentioned, it can stream in 4K and has HDR support for improved contrast and colors. Unlike Roku's players, the Apple TV 4K also offers Dolby Vision support on top of standard HDR10. If you have a Dolby Vision TV, this means you'll get even better HDR performance when watching Dolby Vision titles from apps like Disney Plus and Apple TV Plus. Pros: well-designed, great interface, 4K and HDR playback with Dolby Vision support. Can serve as a home kit hub. Cons: a little pricey. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Thanks for watching.